Hi, today let's make simple and easy instant 10 minutes mango pickle. Very quick and very simple to do. First you need to take a mango, clean it and wash it and cut it into small pieces like this and keep it aside. Now you need to add basic ingredients which is in your kitchen shelf like chili powder, salt and turmeric powder, and then keep it aside. Now let's make a tasty tadka. In a tadka pan you need to add in oil. Once the oil has been heated, you need to add in mustard seeds and hing, and then you need to add in some methi seeds as well, and then goes in some curry leaves. When the curry leaves starts spluttering and the tadka is ready, pour it on top of the mango mixture and mix all the ingredients really very well. See to that each and every piece of mango is coated really very well, and check for the salt. This mango pickle will be done in 10 minutes. You can serve it with yogurt and rice, or just rice, ghee and this pickle, and you'll be sorted. You don't need any kind of fancy food. It's a best side dish. If you want, you can save the you can store this pickle as well in a glass container at least for a week. Just see to that the glass container is cleanly washed and dry. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.